everyone, my name is Chrislyn Paloma and I'm with
Arian Kate Sorella.
and I'm gonna ask her about three healthy lifestyle about exercise. First question, what type of lifestyle do you have at present and why did you choose this kind of lifestyle?
Oh, my current lifestyle now is a healthy lifestyle. I go jogging, I work out every weekend, and go to gym.
Okay, so what was your turning point that made you realize to engage physical activities and what keeps you motivated?
Oh, nice question. At first, I was just influenced with my cousin who works out every weekend, and I saw the changes in her body, and that's influenced me to join going to the gym, working out every weekend. And now I saw the progress in my body too.
So that's why you're
Yes, that motivates me to be confident as well.
as an exercise enthusiast or regular exerciser, what will you advise to a person with no interest in engaging physical activities like me?
Oh, I can only say one thing and advice for the persons that has no interest in engaging physical activities that you
Yeah.
must start now because health is wealth and you know you better first you should like slide not so hard na workout
So you mean
first
just first
first
easy?
like easy
Yeah, easy.
and then you will step up into another level medium and then
Until you go.
and you should be consistent and you'd see the progress in your body and that makes you and that would make you live longer.
Okay, thank you for that wonderful answer, Arian Kate Sorella. So, according to the interview, I learned that exercising is way more important and health is more important. According to Arian said that I am should going to exercise because it's just good for the health and good for my body. That's all.